Here's how to cancel Gemini subscription on Google Pay. First is you can go first to the bank that you have associated your Google or Gemini subscription with and go to autopay and cancel it, or you can go to the Google Pay accounts, and then from the Google Pay account settings you will see there the payments and subscription options. So what you need to do is to click on that. After clicking on that, you will see there the options such as payment methods, purchase verification, subscriptions, budget and history, and redeem code. Now, what you need to do is to click on the subscription options. So once you click on the subscription options, you will see there the active subscriptions that you have. So once you have already see there the Gemini subscriptions, all you need to do is to click on that. Now, after clicking on that, you will be redirected on the page or on the settings of your bank, which is you will now go ahead and click on the pause. So some people it has a cancel button, but some it has pass button only.